Can't connect to your Wi-Fi on your Apple Watch? Don't worry. This issue is common and usually easy to fix. It often happens due to incorrect Wi-Fi settings, weak signal, or outdated software. In this video, I'll show you how to solve Wi-Fi connection issues on your Apple Watch. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Solution 1. Forget Wi-Fi and then reconnect. Open up the Settings app on your Apple Watch. Then scroll down a little bit, and after that, tap Wi-Fi. Make sure to enable the Wi-Fi. Now tap on your network. Here you can see Forget this network option. Tap on it, scroll down, and now tap Forget. After forgetting, reconnect your Wi-Fi network and see what happens. Solution 2. Restart your Apple Watch and your iPhone. Press and hold on the sidebar for 3 to 5 seconds. Power off slide will appear. Next, tap on the power icon from the top right corner. Slide the power icon from left to right. Now again, press and hold on the side button for 3 to 5 seconds. Apple logo will appear. Also, restart your iPhone. Solution 3. Check your software update. Open the watch home screen, tap on the Settings app. Now scroll down and tap General. Tap Software Update. If there is a new update, then download and install the update. After updating, your Apple Watch Wi-Fi problem should be solved. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then drop a like, and if you have any kind of questions, then let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.